northwest. Second gate.
10 seconds.
They're looking now.
Look over the wall. Okay, look over the wall. Left. Over the wall. Northeast in 3, 2, 1. Hit over the wall. Drop. Nice hit. Go back. Come inside. Get your resets. Come south. Go south. Everyone go south. Hit over the wall. Okay. Hit over the wall. Def. Holy shit. So late.
Maybe.
North. Hit north in 3.
Wait, not cool down already. Hold.
Okay, hold. Hit over the chest. Go to
I need heals on the
Wait
fucking
3 seconds.
gate,
Okay?
okay?
Wait 3 seconds.
Need heals. But sex offender, you need to go back.
Ready now.
Hit over the chest in 3, 2, 1. Over the chest now. Nice hit. Go back. Go south. Fast. Go south. Nice shaper. Heal lumber. East. And again, tell me your cooldowns.
They're coming.
Just hold it.
Ready now.
Over the chest in 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Hit northwest. Go south. They're gonna run us over. Go east. And spread here. Left front. Come back.
5 seconds.
Look west. In
Ready
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit on me. Guys, faster. Go east and reset. Don't run away. Just don't run away. Are you guys ready? Def. Full def.
Ready now.
On the stairs. In 3,
Very sure.
2, 1. On the stairs
Second
now.
hit by the mobs.
Nice. Just reset. Tell me your cooldowns. Just hold here. Just chill. Cooldowns now. Hello.
10 seconds. Hold.
Come up. Get ready. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Get ready. Northwest. Hitting northwest. In 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Hit northwest. Everything. Def northeast. Heal. Drop to these and get your reset on your heart. Tell me your cooldowns. We're gonna hit.
Ready.
We're gonna hit north on the chest. In 3, 2, 1. Hit on the chest.
Stop.
Def now. Def.
They're looking. Care.
Def. Holy shit. It's fine. Tell me your cooldowns now.
Long cooldown.
8 seconds.
Just hold these.
Ready now.
It's fine. Look northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hit me. Just go back now. Go back. Heal Bharat.
Nice stop.
Just
They used
drop
their
the guys
engage
inside.
already, okay? They used their engage already.
Tell me when you have engage. Tell me when you have engage.
Hold.
Tell me when you have engage.
Ready now.
Hit northwest on the chest. In 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the chest. Go back now. Go back. Don't play front. Come back.
They're coming.
Nice
Nice.
Stop them.
They're pushing now.
They're gonna hit me. Heal me.
Are you sure?
They did. It's
Look
northeast.
west. Come up. Everyone come up.
Are you sure they're getting
Everyone come
damaged
up.
by the mortars?
Look west. In 3, 2, 1. Hit me. It's everything. It's fine. Reset now. Just Qs and Ws the guys who are inside. Tell me your cooldowns, okay? Tell me your cooldowns. It's fine. Heal me up front. Tell me your
Just
cooldowns.
again. They used the engage already, okay? You can go deep.
Okay,
You want-
come up.
ready.
Everyone walk up. Everyone. Hit on me on northwest in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit me northwest. Okay, just hold here. Tanks hold them. Come back. Sex offender, come back.
Sex offender is
They're
again.
engaged on sex offender.
No, it's fine.
Do you have cooldowns?
Wait, 5 seconds. Hold 5 seconds.
Wait, is Emperor alive?
Ready now.
Yeah, thanks. Hit over the wall.
They're
Okay,
GG,
sir.
they're GG, they're GG.
The GG.
Why?
What the fuck?
Why?
Why
OC
GG?
break, OC break, OC break.
What the fuck, man? What the actual fuck?
Okay, someone.
Because